Yes. Hello CMA final students. I hope you guys are doing good. So this is a very quick and informative video relating to paper number 13 EVO batch, which at Shikara Tutorials we have recently conducted and completed also. Okay. So relating to EVO batch paper number 13, I am going to share one interesting thing, that is duration. That means, so whatever the topics we have discussed in this EVO batch, how much time we have dedicated for these topics and all, I am going to share now. Duration, total duration. So first of all, we have segregated this discussion into two parts. First of all, corporate laws and economic laws. In exam also, corporate laws is having 60% weightage, economic laws 40% weightage. Okay. Corporate laws, these three topics: Companies Act, IBC, CGCSR. According to exam weightage, we have started our EVO batch discussion. First of all, directors and KMP, 6 hours 21 minutes. Investments and loans 1 hour 14 minutes, dividends, BOD meetings, like that. Each and every topic, I can confidently say this EVO batch is very much enough for your preparation if you are someone who is anticipating for exemption. And we didn't left over any topics at all. We have covered each and every topic that is there in your syllabus in paper number 13. So total Companies Act duration along with MCQs also, one more thing. And we have discussed workbook also wherever it is necessary. That means conceptual discussion, MCQ, each and every MCQ, board book MCQ discussion, and previous paper MCQ also, and what we call workbook discussion also wherever it is necessary. And one more thing I have to give clarity for all of through this video for all students. Again, I'm telling you, if you subscribe for EVO batch, definitely that fees is accompanied by books also. No need to purchase books on a separate note. We are receiving numerous queries relating to these books. No need to purchase books on a separate note. You will receive concept book module 1, concept book module 2, workbook. Workbook means Q&A, question and answers, along with MCQs. MCQ comprises of board book 100% all MCQs and previous year MCQs also. Previous 10 attempts MCQs. What you need more than this? Books we are providing, MCQs, all resources we are providing at meager resources, meager fee, that's it. Okay, so one more thing. Total corporate laws, we have completed the discussion in 21 hours 39 minutes. Total Companies Act in 15 hours 25 minutes. IBC, one of the important topic in entire corporate laws, 3.5 hours. CGCSR 2 hour 48 minutes. Not just normal discussion, it is more or less to regular batch only. Why? Because we have discussed 100% of the syllabus. At the announcement stage itself, we have already told everyone that EVO batch is for repeaters. In the same way, repeaters attended, and we have conducted and concluded this batch in a very effective manner, just like a regular batch. Okay. Next one, economic laws. When it comes to economic laws, high weightage for SEBI, next competition, FEMA, like that. We have completed economic laws in 10 hours 5 minutes. That means cumulatively total hours for paper number 13 EVO 31 hours 44 minutes. If you plan properly, hardly 3 days are enough to cover entire EVO batch concepts if you purchase these classes. That means if you plan, if you dedicate 7 days for paper number 13, 7 days, within 3 days you can finish the total recordings. And again also, if you have any doubts and all, you can refer the videos. 100% you will get pure conceptual knowledge if you go through the videos. That is our promise from Shikara Tutorials. Okay, so currently on the occasion of Diwali, 25% offer price is going on. That means 4,000 is the regular price for EVO batch, where you will get around 1,000 rupee discount. You can grab the classes, total classes along with books also at 3,000. And apart from EVO batches, in regular classes also 25% discount offer is going on. So if you are someone who is seriously wish to get exemption in paper number 13, go and subscribe for EVO batch of paper number 13. You can visit www.shikharatutorials.in and you can go through the website and instructions. Okay, so hurry up, offer is going to end. So I think this EVO batch will make a big difference in your entire preparation. Once again, all the very best for those students who are appearing for December 2025 term of examinations. Thank you.